Introduced by the Soviet Union in 1946 but soon replaced by the superior MiG-15, what was the first MiG model to sport a turbojet engine? Now I'll give you a list of the options. First one is MiG-1, second option is MiG-2, third option is MiG-5, fourth one is MiG-7, and the last option is MiG-9. So from these options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? Now I'll give you the correct one, and the correct answer for the question is MiG-9. So that's the answer for the question, MiG-9. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find these videos very useful, you need to help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you want to share this video with your friend to any social media that you wish, just go ahead, click this button. You can share it to Facebook, Twitter, and etc. etc. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another lovely and sweet video. Bye bye. See you again.